Suppose if we sit down with ourselves for 20 minutes and try to remove all the negative thoughts from our mind, and the more we try to remove, we feel that more is got added on. Suppose if you see that you tell yourself that let us not think about food, let us get on diet, and by the month end you realize that the maximum you have eaten all the sweet, you have eaten everything, and you are on the food and the food is over you. So whatever we try to get rid of, it gets more on us. And mostly in past life, in various past ways of spiritual awakening, most of the motivational speakers and teachers have guided us that if you want to achieve your spirituality, you do not think about bad things. But suddenly we realize that the more we are getting into spirituality, the more the bad thoughts are getting into us, because we are trying to stop the bad thoughts. So we need to understand how does the mechanism of our mind work. In our mind, there is no division and subtraction. The mind works on two theories. One is addition, second is multiplication. So we cannot remove anything from the mind. We will have to allow to settle it down, and also see to it that slowly the divine grace awakens us to the state where we understand that we are not this mind and body. So all our mental sufferings and physical sufferings come to an end. And this is not possible with any form of analyzation and counseling and all the mental projections, but we need the grace of divine consciousness, that is the Devi, that is the Kundalini. When she awakens, all that is potential in us becomes kinetic, and with the Kriya of Atma Sakshatkara, Nirvicharita is established, and that very state you slowly start getting connected to the power that has created you, and everything starts flowing in the right direction. It is not the river that is flowing outside you, it is about the river that has to flow inside you. And that happens with your self-realization, with your Atma Sakshatkar Kriya. So we have to understand that certain things which we think that I can do are not in our hands, but they are in the hands of divine grace. So let us take to the grace of Sri Adi Shakti. Jai Shri Ram.